Namaste everyone. I am Shriya. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. In today's tutorial, we are going to make 3D Christmas tree box. Without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. Use brown color paper. I am using pink so that my measurements will be visible to you. Draw semicircle by using a compass. Mark an arc at 7 cm. Draw 4 arcs as shown. With the help of a scale, draw a line and join the mark points. Draw flaps of 2 cm. With the help of a scale, join the mark points. It will form a triangle. Now let's make the lid of the Christmas tree box. You will need to draw a square of 7 cm. You will need to draw a flap of 2 cm on 3 sides. Fold the lines as shown in the video. Now assemble the Christmas tree box as shown. Now on a green paper, draw a semicircle by using a compass. Mark 4 arcs of 6 cm each. With the help of a scale, draw lines and join the mark points. For latest updates, follow my Instagram account. My Instagram ID is SS Craft Mantra. Now stick the green triangle shaped papers on the box. For making branch of the Christmas tree, take measurements as shown in the video. Make cuts as shown in the video. Now assemble the cutout. Your branch of the Christmas tree is ready. Now stick the branch on the lid of the Christmas tree box. Your 3D Christmas tree box is ready. Wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you had liked my videos, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.